recap. This is the question here. Z equals to x squared plus 1 over y cube. So the first step is I look for the LCM. Okay, yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good.
But I did not finish it.
So then the next step is what? We will what? Collect like terms. So y3
Yeah.
minus x squared y3 is equals to 1. So remember, our aim is to make y the what? Subject of the formula based on the question. So what is common here? Y cube. To factorize it, then to be z
Okay.
minus
May I
what?
not put brackets in my own? No.
What do you say?
I did not put brackets here. So I mix it up.
Yes.
Continue.
So then you bracket it because we summarize, we factorize. That's why you equate it to 1. Therefore, y3, if you divide both sides by z minus x squared, sorry, z minus x squared, this will cancel this. Therefore, our y cube is equals to 1 over what? Z minus s squared.
Minus x square.
Yes. So we can't leave our answer like this because we have to single out this y. We have to get rid of this cube. And
This.
in order to get rid of this, we cube root both sides. Cube root also means the power of 1 over 3. So let me just do it like that in order for you to understand. 1 over 3. Then you bracket this 1 over 3. So if you multiply this, 3 will cancel this, right? So you have y. You can leave it like this, or you can choose to cube root it this way. 1 over z minus x squared.
Square.
So that's our final answer. Any question on that?
Okay. No. No worry.
Alright, so let's move to number 3. So let me rewrite this. Number 3. We have s is equals to square root of 2r plus t over 2rt. So this is our question. Our first step, can you guess our first step?
Sir?
Guess the first step. Or what do you think we are going to do here?
You square root.
Square root. What are we square rooting? Square root. What do you say we are going to do here? You square both sides. That's the first step. And I told you that square root is the same thing as what? 1 over 2. Therefore, this square will cancel square root. So you are left with s square is equals to 2r plus t over 2rt. And remember, this is our requirement to make r the subject of the formula.
Okay.
So what do you do here? You cross multiply. So once you cross multiply, then we have 2, can just put x square 2rt. No, if
Wait,
I'm
I thought you are
to
meant
write
you
it
are meant to
properly,
use
it's going to be,
R.
what do you say?
I thought R is supposed to be the subject.
Yes, r is meant
Why
to
is
be
he
our
using
subject of
X?
the formula. This is the question again.
Okay.
R is to be our subject of the formula. So if I'm to write this properly, it will be 2r s squared t. If I'm to follow it alphabetically, but in order for you to understand, that's the reason why I wrote it like this. Remember, it's jam. Number 1 is after your workings. You get?
Okay. Okay.
Just like we did the other time. You bring r to the other side. So you have S square 2RT minus 2R is equals to T. Are you following?
Yes.
So if you factorize this, what is common there? Remember, our aim is
Yes.
R, right? So you have to single out the R. Once you do that, then you now have what?
Bracket 2.
2S square T. You understand how I got this, right? Or should I break this down? Do you
Yes.
want me to break this down?
Yes.
Alright. So let's quickly rewrite this here. A minute. So we have S square 2RT. We have to divide it by R, right? Since we are factorizing, right?
Mm.
So square
S square 2.
T. It is Abi.
Yes.
It's not possible for me to write it this way mathematically. So you can just you rewrite it as 2S. The
2S.
number always come before the alphabet. 2
Okay.
square T.
Plus 2.
Yeah. That's how we got our answer here.
Okay.
So the same thing here. If you divide 2R divided by R, you have minus 2. You get. Then you close bracket is equals to 2. Do you have any question on this?
No.
Are you sure? Feel free to ask me. So you divide both sides by the whole of this bracket. That's 2S squared T minus 2 over
Over
2S
T
squared
over
T.
2x square minus 2.
So don't worry, you can just listen. So after the class, I will snap everything and send it to you so that I can understand you better. Are we cool
Okay.
with that? Alright. So we divide both sides. Therefore, our final answer is what? R is equals to T over 2S squared
2x
T
square
minus 2.
minus 2.
You can also choose to factorize this too if you want. So if you do not see this answer like this in the option, you factorize the denominator. And once you factorize it, always common there too. You get. You
2.
can choose to do that on your own.
Leave it like this.
Are you clear with this? You okay,
Yes.
prefer it like this. Alright.
Eh?
So I said alright. So we move to question 4. So let me flip the paper.
Oh, what is it? She wants to come and learn as well. Yeah, now.